Good morning, fam. Imagine this. Your body feels light, your back is tension-free, and your mind is calm. That's exactly where we're heading in the next 5 minutes. Welcome to a soothing flow designed to release and relax your back. Whether you've been carrying the weight of a long day or woke up with stiffness in your spine, this routine is for you. Think of it as a gentle reset for your body, a chance to let go of everything holding you back. No fancy equipment, just your mat, a quiet space, and a willingness to release what no longer serves you. Your living room, bedroom, or even a cozy outdoor spot is perfect. This flow is about tuning into yourself wherever you are. Over the next 5 minutes, we'll move through grounding stretches, soothing spinal stretches, and gentle twists to unlock tension. I promise that by the end, you'll feel light, aligned, and more at ease than when you started. Most people wouldn't take this time for themselves, but you are here, putting yourself first. That's powerful. Let's hit the mat and create some space in that spine. Let's begin with a grounding embrace of child's pose. A moment to pause, breathe, and reconnect. Kneel on your mat with your big toes touching and your knees spread wide. Sink your hips back toward your heels, stretching your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat. Take slow, deep breaths, feeling your back expand with each inhale and soften with every exhale. Child's pose is like a hug for your lower back, gently decompressing your spine and easing tension in your hips. I promise, with each breath, you'll feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. If your hips feel tight, place a cushion between your heels and glutes. Can't rest your forehead on the mat? Use a block or pillow for support. Take one more deep breath, letting your hips sink just a little deeper. As you exhale, rise slowly to all fours for our next movement. Now let's bring movement to your spine with cat-cow, a flow that feels like a sigh of relief for your back. On all fours, align your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest for cat pose. Move slowly, syncing each motion with your breath. This stretch creates a wave of motion through your spine, increasing flexibility and releasing built-up tension. I promise you'll feel your back loosening with every breath. If your wrists feel strained, rest on your fists or place a cushion under your hands for added support. From here, gently sit down with your legs extended in front of you. Let's move into a calming forward fold. Time to lengthen the back of your body and let gravity work its magic with seated forward fold. Sit tall with your legs extended in front of you. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale as you hinge at your hips, reaching for your toes. Let your head hang heavy and your body soften with each breath. This stretch targets the hamstrings, lower back, and spine, creating a sense of release and calm. I promise by the end of this minute, your back will feel lighter and your mind will feel clearer. If your hamstrings are tight, bend your knees slightly or use a strap to support your forward reach. Slowly roll up one vertebra at a time and come back to all fours for a gentle twist to ease your upper back. Let's melt away tension in your upper back with thread the needle, a pose that feels like unraveling a knot. On all fours, slide your right arm under your left, lowering your right shoulder and head to the mat. Keep your hips square and your left hand grounded for stability. This twist targets tightness in your shoulders and upper back, promoting mobility and relaxation. I promise by the end, your upper body will feel renewed. If the twist feels too deep, place a cushion under your shoulder for support. Unwind slowly, returning to all fours, and let's repeat on the other side. Let's bring balance to your body with thread the needle on the left side. Slide your left arm under your right, lowering your shoulder and head to the mat. Keep your hips steady and breathe deeply into the stretch. This twist creates symmetry in your upper back and shoulders, leaving you feeling balanced and aligned. Use a cushion under your shoulders for extra support, or ease off the depth of the twist if needed. Slowly unwind, sit back onto your heels, and take a deep breath to seal in the calm. Beautiful work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've created space in your spine, released tension, and prioritized yourself. How amazing is that? By showing up today, you've already set the tone for a great day ahead. This consistency is what leads you to lasting transformation. Before you leave, remember that you've already won the day just by showing up. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and bring your loved ones along for the journey. Movement is always better together. Check the description for your free fitness gift, a surprise designed to help you level up your journey. Trust me, you'll love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.